Over the weekend, somebody asked me, why would I want to trade with other people's money? So, I thought it was self-explanatory, but today's video, I am going to share with you the advantages of trading futures with other people's money. So stay tuned, keep on watching. All right, so first of all, the benefit, in my opinion, is leverage. Okay, leverage gives you an account that is, you can start with $100,000 by just purchasing an account for $137. And right now, as of the day of this recording, it's 80% off that, 80% off, right? So that's the number one advantage, is that leverage. Leverage means you get paid. You can make so much more money so much faster because you have leverage. Now, before I get to my next reason, if this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and press subscribe, because I'm always sharing ideas on how you can make money online. And if you are returning, welcome back. And don't forget, press that like and leave me a comment so I can say hi back. All right, so let's get to number 2. The second advantage and benefit of trading with other people's money is that you lose less. Okay, you lose less. So say you're a new person and you don't know all the rules yet about managing risks, right? Those experienced people love talking trash about managing risks. All right, so say you don't know that yet because you're new. This is a great way for newbies to get started. And I would recommend for sure starting with the 100K account or the 50K account. And let me just show you why. Now, if you were to hold on one sec. If you were to start with the 100K account, then you would, okay, so they have these rules already set where your profit goal is 2,000. Your static drawdown is 165. You can see that right over here, right? You can see that right over here, but you can trade 2 minis and you can trade 20 macros, right? And again, right now it is 80% off this. But here's the thing: if you are a new person, if you're new to trading, you don't have $100,000 to put in an account and take a risk on. You want to practice, and I'm going to tell you from my experience practicing with the like the demo accounts, it's just not the same. In my opinion, it's not real. And you know what? Another benefit too. So yeah, basically though, if you want to get started, you just enter your name, email, create a username, do all of that. But let me just get back to right here. I want to get to the 50K account. So this is the part I wanted to show you right here. So when you trade with a 50K account, you can go with 100 micros. Your profit goal is only 3,000. Your trailing threshold is 2,500. That is how it goes. And then with the 100K account, you can trade with 140 micros or 14 minis. And your profit goal is 6,000. And your trailing threshold is 3,000. And you know what? The market's about to open right now. So I'm just going to show you real quick how it works, because all you do is you download NinjaTrader, you watch the charts. So this is going to be fun, because I'm going to tell you, I'm just going to trade on the demo account. I normally never trade as soon as the market opens. I kind of give it at least a minute or so, just because it does this. Look at it. It just goes crazy. Look at it. Look at it. So it just goes crazy. And then if you look on your, I have 2 screens open too. I always got 2 screens open. So I would watch the 1 minute chart. I watch the 1 minute chart, you see right here. And I also watch the 5 minute chart. So I got a couple screens right here. But you see on the 5 minute, it's going down. It's all over the place. But I'm just going to press something to show you how it works live, right? Ooh, let me make sure I'm on demo. See that? Look at this right here. And because I don't trust it, I'm going to hurry up and get out. I don't trust it as soon as the market opens. See that? Oh my God. Terrible. I'm about to lose. Live trading. Oh my God. I'm going to wait at least till I get back in the green, hopefully. Look at it right here. Look at it. Oh my God. I just lost, y'all. Just that quick, I lost $515. Now imagine if I wasn't trading with a prop firm, I would be out of $500 that quick in a matter of minutes, right? So that is why I like trading with other people's money as a beginner. All right. So I'm going to try it one more time, see if I can get some of that money back. This time I'm going to try with 5. Let's go with 4 longs. And these are preset too. You can like preset, like I tell it, my stop loss is at 22, profit is at 22, and then my other stop is at, all my stops are at 22, but my profit is 2 at 22, 1 at 29, and 1 at 49. That's my runner. So, woo, this thing is going crazy. So I'm going to just try again. But this is only for informational purposes, y'all. But this is why I like to trade with other people's money. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this. It looks like it wants to go up now. So I'm going to click buy market, I think. I'm looking on my other screen too at the 1-minute chart. So I'm watching it. Oh my God. All right. So if you want to trade with other people's money, go ahead, click that link below. And hey, let me know in the comment section what questions or comments you have about this video. I did not expect to just start trading on this video. I wanted to show you the benefits, but let me show you one more time. I'm going to take one more trade and then I'll let you go. One more trade. Buy market. Look at that. So right here, these are all my presets that I showed you. So this is my stop loss right here that I showed you a minute ago. It's all preset. So look at this. This is why I don't trade as soon as the market opens. This is why. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to lose again. Oh my goodness. Yup, that quick. That quick. You can lose hundreds of dollars. So that's why I like to trade with other people's money. It gives you leverage. And instead of losing hundreds of dollars in minutes, you only lose the $80 or the $50 that you pay for the account. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Katina, and I'll see you next time. Take care.